Bueno, eso ya va, ¿eh?
Ya puedes tancar.
Vámonos.
Grocery store greeter, glad to meet and re-meet you. Nearly 95, working 9 to 5. They say, Juanita, why you come here still? Cause you got enough dough to get you over the hill. You can kick back, try to relax. Guess I'm old and my eyes are dim, and if I shut up, they might not open again. I ride on, I think it's alright. Ride on. What I found at the edge of that cliff, I'd rather die than be another what if. Alright, okay. Like I'm never gonna like I'm never gonna die. Like I'm never gonna die. Yeah. I play in a rock and roll band. I make my living with my mouth to my hand. Sometimes they play us on the radio. See, why you wanna play rock and roll? You get $1 to pay a $2 toll. I just